Bell peppers, also known as sweet peppers or capsicums, are vibrant, versatile vegetables that come in a variety of colors, including green, red, yellow, and orange. Packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants, bell peppers contribute significantly to a healthy diet. Here's a closer look at the numerous health benefits of incorporating bell peppers into your meals. Number 1. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Bell peppers are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin C. A single cup of chopped red bell pepper provides more than 150% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C, which is crucial for immune function, skin health, and wound healing. Additionally, bell peppers contain significant amounts of vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin B6, and folate. Number 2. High in antioxidants. Bell peppers are rich in antioxidants, which are compounds that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. The antioxidants found in bell peppers, such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids, can reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Red bell peppers, in particular, have the highest levels of antioxidants due to their longer ripening period on the vine. Number 3. Supports eye health. The high levels of vitamin A and beta-carotene in bell peppers are essential for maintaining good vision. These nutrients help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Additionally, bell peppers contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants known to filter harmful blue light and protect the retina. Number 4. Promotes digestive health. Bell peppers are a good source of dietary fiber, which is crucial for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps maintain bowel regularity, prevent constipation, and reduce the risk of developing gastrointestinal disorders, such as diverticulosis. Number 5. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in bell peppers, particularly capsaicin, have anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of bell peppers can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is beneficial for conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. Number 6. Heart health. The combination of fiber, potassium, and vitamins in bell peppers supports cardiovascular health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of sodium. Moreover, the antioxidants in bell peppers reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Number 7. Boosts immune system. The high vitamin C content in bell peppers plays a pivotal role in boosting the immune system. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and illnesses. Regular consumption of bell peppers can enhance your body's natural defense mechanisms. Number 8. Skin health. Vitamin C is not only vital for immune function, but also for collagen synthesis. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to the skin, keeping it firm and youthful. By aiding collagen production, bell peppers can help maintain healthy skin and prevent premature aging. Number 9. Promote brain health. Including bell peppers in your diet could be beneficial for maintaining brain health and preventing age-related cognitive decline. Research indicates that the flavonoids, phenolic acids, and carotenoids present in bell peppers may play a role in preventing memory loss associated with Alzheimer's disease. These essential nutrients may inhibit enzyme activity that releases amyloid proteins in the brain and nervous system. Amyloid proteins are thought to damage nerve fibers and elevate the risk of Alzheimer's disease. By incorporating bell peppers into your meals, you may help protect your brain from these harmful effects. Number 10. Helps prevent anemia. Anemia, a prevalent condition, particularly among women and girls of reproductive age, arises from insufficient oxygen in the blood, often due to iron deficiency. While bell peppers provide a modest amount of iron, they are exceptionally rich in vitamin C, with half a pepper offering around 100 milligrams. This is crucial because vitamin C enhances iron absorption in the gut, Numerous studies have confirmed that diets rich in vitamin C-laden fruits and vegetables significantly boost iron uptake. Number 11. Arthritis Relief. Incorporating bell peppers into a well-balanced diet can provide essential nutrients that support the management of arthritis symptoms. These vibrant vegetables are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that can help reduce inflammation. However, for optimal relief, it's crucial to include a diverse range of anti-inflammatory foods in your diet. Well, that is all about the health benefits of bell peppers. However, here are some frequently asked questions about bell peppers. Let's check it out. Question 1. How to incorporate bell peppers into your diet? Bell peppers are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in numerous ways. They can be eaten raw in salads, sliced as a crunchy snack, roasted, grilled, or sautéed. Add them to stir-fries, soups, stews, and omelets, or stuff them with a variety of fillings for a nutritious meal. Their sweet flavor and crisp texture make them a delightful addition to many dishes. Question 2. Which bell pepper is healthiest? Red peppers are the most nutritious as they stay on the vine the longest. Question 3. Can bell peppers cause gas? Eating bell peppers daily is generally fine, though some people might need to limit their consumption to 1 per day. Their high fiber content can cause gas and bloating in some individuals. Question 4. What is the real name of the bell pepper? The bell pepper, also known as sweet pepper, capsicum, or in some regions, mangoes. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.